ਧੁੱਪ ਤੇ ਛਾਂ, ਰੋਟੀ ਦੀ ਪਰਛਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਛਾਂ, ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਰੁੱਖਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਰਾਂਦ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਗਾਇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ ਧਰਮ ਗ੍ਰੰਥਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ। ਔਰ ਇਹ ਔਸ਼ਧੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਿਹਤ ਲਈ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਦਾਨ ਨੇ, ਆਯੁਰਵੈਦ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਵਰਦਾਨ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ, ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਚਾਨਣਾ। ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਰੁੱਖਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੋਈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਕੁਝ ਫਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇਹ ਕਈਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਹਿਤੂਤ ਦੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਹਿਤੂਤ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ। ਔਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਚਾਣ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ। ਅਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਚਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਕੌਂਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨਲ ਪਹਿਚਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਰਾਈਟ ਟੂ ਲਿਵ ਐਂਡ ਲਾਈਵਲੀਹੁੱਡ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਚਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਫਰੀਡਮ ਆਫ ਸਪੀਚ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਚਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਕੌਂਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਪੱਤਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਗਵਾਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਈਆਂ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਡਵੋਕੇਟ VK ਯਾਦਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਸਾਥੀ ਨਵੇਂ ਵਕੀਲ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਡਿੰਗ ਐਡਵੋਕੇਟਸ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਔਰ ਗੱਲ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਯਾਦਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ। Yadav Sahab, please say something if our media, national media, is performing its duty.
It is miserably failed to meet the expectation of the people because media houses are patronized by the government for its self goal. Ever since the inception of 2014 regime at the center led by Mr. Modi, it is disappointing, harassing and very sorry state of affairs across the country. Because the worst performance of the media houses, their boss, they are either inducted in the parliament assemblies or they are granted tickets by the party for their own marketing, for their publicity, and discarding the focal points issues of health, education, law and order, and women empowerment or senior citizens, employment, or other burning issues.
You see, if speech of freedom or freedom of speech, you may say either way. Does it convey any sense?
It is correct that it is the violation of Article 14, 19 and 21 that no upright citizen, officer or any section of society coming from different walks of life, they are stifled to speak against the government's high-handedness, its unlawful activities, anti-farmers policy, anti-citizens policy, and it has created a chaos in the society due to its unlawful decisions, undemocratic decisions, unconstitutional decisions, and people are supposed to be very helpless.
What is the role of our Honorable Supreme Court of India in this?
It is correct. For the last 2 years, our Honorable Supreme Court of India, to some extent, it is helping, but overall performance of the judicial system is completely demolished, decimated by the central government, and for the last 2 years the institutions have been shut down and no one was allowed to enter into the premises of the institutions, including high courts and Supreme Court. Why the institutions have been buckled under the pressure of central government? Because it is the failure of the constitutional machinery.
You see, if our three limbs of democracy as granted by Constitution of India, state, legislature, judicial system and executive, is it a kidnapping of each other or something else, or solitary kidnapping?
Yes. Today, these three organs, including legislature, executive and judiciary, the above all central political executive, it is prevailing, superseding, encroaching other two organs. it doesn't appear that in India, judicial system is actively protecting the interest of the citizens.
Meaning thereby it is a mute expectation or a specular expectation or anything else on the part of a system, judicial system or the government.
Government is quite comfortable by such equation of legislature and judiciary. Although it is the obligation of the central government, political executive in different states to take care of the interest of citizens, farmers, students, parents, victims, women, and other vulnerable sections. But actually, government is adamant to interfere in the interest in the sphere of judiciary.
What is the future of our youth?
One of the crucial example set by Honorable Supreme Court judges that the crisis in the country, democratic system is going to be demolished. It shows that how the incumbent Supreme Court judges are coming forward to brief the media with regard to pressure, nepotism, kickback, and unwanted involvement of fringe elements. It is the recent example 2 years before how this historical incident took place. So, youth is completely helpless. I can't see they have been given chances or opportunities to grow. If the Honorable Apex Court, their incumbent Supreme Court judges are unhappy to see the way of working style of the central government.
You see, one thing more, there was a news in 2017 that out of 20 lakh advocates in the country, 12 lakhs are fake degree holder or without degree. And Honorable Chief Justice, the then Chief Justice J.S. Kher, took notice of it and it was in published, and thereafter complete silence over the subject by the Bar Council or by the system. What do you say about this?
Yes, if it is actually a matter of concern for the institutions, High Court, Supreme Courts, such examples of fake degree, so a thorough inquiry or investigation can be conducted either by the Bar Council of India or at the behest of Honorable Supreme Court. A fair and transparent inquiry can be conducted, and the elements who have been inducted in the profession by mistake, they should be dealt with as per law.
There is a noted judgment of Supreme Court, Saleem Bar, and in that case a person was found to be fake degree holder even without degree, and he was practicing for 20 years and was holding the top posts of the Bar Association. What do you say about this?
It is very astonishing, very dumbfounding that why such person can hold a position in the Bar Association or Bar Council without having any locus or legal sanctity.
Even I filed a PIL before this High Court, Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh. The Bar Council secretary was without degree, and he was ordered to be removed from the roles of the Bar Council. And I can say the name, but it was the miserable plight of the system which I come across, that what is the conduct of the Bar Council and what was the system, how it was running. What do you say about this? Is it still continuing or it is stoppage?
It is surprising such horrific or unwanted incidents are taking place. I am aghast to see such things. I am very helpless. But yes, you being the most veteran citizen, expert, you have the reasons why such person is assigned a duty if it is happening.
I have issued notice on this subject to the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh. They are still mute spectator for the last about 5 months, and the notice time has expired and they have not broken their silence. What do you say about this?
Yes, yes, it is dereliction on the part of the institution. If it is incumbent upon the institutions, they should abide by the order in letter and spirit.
And not only this, still there are sitting members of Bar Council who are without degree. What do you say about this?
It is more horrific if it is happening. I am very sorry to say they are governing the lawyers all throughout the state and they are doing such unfair activities.
Way back in 1976, there was a judgment of Supreme Court that Bar Council is a hotbed of politics. Still it is continuing, or it is bad to worst or worst
Yes,
to
it
super.
it is going on unabated. It should have been prohibited. Time and again, the hold of certain peoples in the Bar Council and Bar Association, it is not a democratic or healthy position or situation or tradition. It hampers the progress of other lawyers also. So it should have been deterred, prohibited, and there should be a check and balance.
Last but not least, out of these fake degree holders, even there are persons who might be holding the office of judicial system. What do you say?
It is very alarming. System should ponder over such issues. If incompetent persons are inducted in the institution, Bar Association, Bar Council, so it doesn't mean that we are feeling safe and secure in the hands of such dummy or puppet person who is not deserving such post.
They are testing our standards, our advocacy standards, our ethical standards, and anything else. And they don't test their own standards. What do you say?
Yes. It is a matter of probity and honesty for the person who is holding a public post. Being the presiding officer of an institution, tribunal, judicial, quasi-judicial institution, it is first and foremost the duty of the concerned person to set example, to be very honest, be pragmatic, and also deal with others in a very fair, with malevolent. But it is not happening, as you are saying so many alarming points, questions.
Is it not duty of our honorable courts, be it High Court or Supreme Court, because they are suo motu powers, to exercise? Still, they are not doing it. That means
Honorable High Court and Supreme Courts for the last 2 years have been completely closed and shut down. And the Honorable Supreme Court judges themselves coming forward to brief the media for this sorry state of affairs in the country. This country should stand by. This country should rise from the traditional limbo, quandary, and say something in a very categorical manner. Don't vacillate, don't waffle. Why the people are stifled, gagged, and they are not allowed to speak.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਯਾਦਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਕਰਮ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ। ਦੋ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹੋ। ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸੇ।
Myself Komal Yadav. I want to say कि जो भी अनऑफिशियल वर्क पे है बार काउंसिल के अंडर पे, तो आई गेस कि जो कैपेबल है उन्हें ज़्यादा देना चाहिए जिनके पास एक्चुअल में लो डिग्री है, रेदर देन जिनके पास नहीं है, जो काफ़ी साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
मिस्टर नैन, प्लीज से समथिंग।
Sir, I would like to say, just because the people who are practicing for so many years and they have proper knowledge, just because they are still continuing in the profession, they should be dealt with, and then the people who are more deserving, they should be given the opportunity to go ahead and forward.
And daughters, you are here. Please say and express your freedom of speech, expression, and everything.
Myself Purnima,
and I want to say that those who have knowledge and skill and who are practicing for so many years, they should be given preference on the basis of their skill and knowledge.
Myself Komal, and I would like to say that those who are deserving, they should have get a chance to be a lawyer and get everything which it is deserved.
Yadav sir, once again one question for you. 12 lakh fake degree holders, they are snatching the hard work, their dynamicism from the genuine advocates, and our system is mute spectator, and there might be persons who might be enjoying and holding the high posts in the government departments. What do you say about this?
Yes. Honorable Supreme Court in its full administrative meeting should take a historical decision to crack down the elements who are doing such practice unethically, and it is also incumbent upon the judicial system that justice should have been done, and it should have been seen also.
Justice not only to be done but seems to have been done. This is the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and hopefully this message will be amongst the each and every advocate, hardworking and budding advocates. Thank you very much, and this was the video for your benefit. Please share it and subscribe my channel. It is Jagmohan Singh Patti Advocate YouTube channel, and share your views and feedback. Thank you so much. Thank you.